So this is the popper, 3D printed popper. It's on a micro popper is what I would call it, because it's meant to be cast or fished with this bait finesse style lure, ultralight bait casting. I actually see some bass on beds, but I don't know if they're going to want to hit this thing. Come on, let's go. There's a hit. Oh, he hit it, but he didn't hook. I wonder if it was a little guy. I'm doing a little double whammy, you know, where I made the lure, designed it, or at least copied it, but downsized it, made some mods to it, and really just be able to call it my own. And I get the added benefit of, there's a hit. Yeah, nice. All right, little guy. So there's first fish this round. Not a bruiser. It still counts. Got him on that 3D popper lure. Kind of doing this poppy retrieve. Oh, there's the hit. Ah, oh, god dang. That's 2 big hits without getting hooked. Holy cow. Maybe I should put 2 hooks back on this thing. Couldn't seal the deal. There's the hit. Oh, what is up with that? That one hit it good. That was a big one. Dialed in again. All right. This one has 2 hooks instead of 1. And this one is a surface popper, but it does sink a little. Oh, there's a hit already. Oh wow, something hit it. Okay, good start. Maybe something will stay on this time. All right, let's go back over here where we first started, because, or not where we first started, where we got those big hits, and let's see if I can get something to strike. Oh, there's the hit. Oh, he hit it. I saw that all the way here. There he is. All right, finally. Right on top. I knew there was a bigger one out there. And he's a jumper. Nice. Okay, 2 hooks compared to the other one with 1 hook on the 3D micro popper. All right, let's get him in. Let's get him in. All right. That's that 3D micro popper. Had several hits with the lure that only had 1 hook, and seems like this guy worked out well with 2 hooks. Now the hard part is just getting everything out. All right, not bad. All right, finally. Took a little bit. I see one on its bed. Wonder if I can get him to hit a surface lure while on his bed. Let's see. Wonder if I could get it to sink in front of him. Here. I'm gonna bring it right in front of him. Right in front of his nose. Oh, he hit it. Oh man, he nudged it with his nose. Holy cow. All right, let's try it again. Okay, I'm gonna drop it slowly in front of him. He's looking at it. Oh, he hit it. He tapped it. Oh man. All right, this one wants to play. Let's see if I can get him to play. I'm gonna drop it slowly in front of him. Oh, he swiped it. Oh, there's 2 of them. Okay, he swiped it. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, God. Oh, man. He swiped it and I just missed him. So let's see if I can get him to nudge it with his nose again. But this time with a hook. Okay, he hit it. He hit it again. Okay, let's do it again. Oh, he hit it. Got it. That one hit it like 3-4 times. before I hooked him. All right, cool. Okay. All right, I'm gonna start on the far end of the bed, drop it on the corner or on that far edge, and see if I could drag it through, and maybe that might get him to attack it. Oh, he hit it. There he goes. Ah! Ah! Holy cow. He was on. Shoot. That one almost hit me. Dang it. All right. I guess that one don't want to play anymore since I put a hook in his mouth. But we'll see. I still got this guy over here to my left, so let's see if this guy will play. Okay. This is the one that was playing earlier but didn't quite want to commit. So I'm going to drop it by his tail and see if he'll come look at it. Here he comes. Oh, holy cow. All right. He was right there. He looked at it and everything and swiped it. Let's see if he'll come back. Okay. I don't see him. Here he comes. Oh, did it again. Had it in his mouth and he spit it. Okay. See if he'll come. He was there a moment ago. Yeah, he was interested in it. Had that other one on briefly, but I lost him. And I don't think he'll want to play anymore since he's felt the hook on that one. But I think this guy still wants to play. All right, where'd you go? I lost sight of him. Yeah, I lost sight of him. Oh man, this guy he was on briefly. I wonder if he'll still play. Let's see. Since I hooked him, but I didn't hook him. Yeah, he's still looking at it. Ugh. Yeah, he still wants to play. He's still there. He swiped it again. He swiped it. So that hook didn't bother him. There he goes. Oh. Oh man, he was on. I don't know. I think he may be done. He may be done. He ran with it. No, he's back. He's back for more. There we go. All right, that's the one that I lost earlier. I just lost them again. Jeez. Just, man, frustrating. I've hooked one twice now and lost him as I was bringing him in. And his buddy over here still wants to play, so I'm gonna have to oblige him here and see if he still will strike this thing. He's struck this thing several times now too. And he was on briefly, but I don't know if he'll do it this time. Oh, here he comes. Ah, did it again. He did it again, right there. Okay, I'm gonna drop it on the far side. Here he comes. Oh. Okay, okay. All right, right there. Mouthed it. I should have just went ahead and set the hook. He mouthed it, and I think he actually had it in his mouth this time. Got him. Duh. All right. That's a sign. Let him go. Just cast it out real quick just to make sure I don't have this thing clobbered. Okay. All right. Let's do it again. You can see him. All right. Okay, this is the one that I think I lost several times. Yep, there he goes again. He's off the hook. All right, well, it's pretty fun. They definitely don't like this lure, meaning they hit it. So, good stuff. 3D micro popper. Was working one on the surface, got one on the red and white, had 3 strikes on the red and white, and then lost them. And then I switched to this guy and ended up getting a nice jumper. And then I played around over here with these ones that are on their beds. It kind of sinks slowly and gets it right into the bed. And because of the coloration, I'm able to get a good idea when they pick it up. So they are there, and when they are willing to strike, like this guy's looking at it now. Huh. Ah, dang, I thought he was tired, but maybe that's his buddy. And there's another one here, but I think he was oh, there he is. But this one's a little sketchy. He kind of gets spooked. All right. There we go. All right. This one wanted to play a little bit. All right, got him. Fun stuff. All right.